Hi, I'm Dr. Dheeraj Reddy. I'm a dermatologist and anti-aging expert. I did my MD in dermatology from KMC Manipal and I have established Dermadoc in 2023. Following my MD in dermatology, I pursued my fellowship in aesthetics and lasers in Mumbai and Australia, where I was trained by a celebrity dermatologist to understand the special needs in the aesthetic industry. Following that, to add to my expertise, I did one more fellowship specializing in anti-aging solutions for skin and hair rejuvenation. My passion lies in restoring confidence in individuals who are suffering with skin and hair issues. We have a dedicated procedure room for laser hair removal to address the most common concern, which is unwanted hair. We have one of the most advanced laser hair removal equipment in the entire world. The name goes by Triton. It comes from USA. Most of the celebrities in USA also use the same equipment for their laser hair removal needs. This platform also contains MNRF or microneedling radiofrequency. This goes by the name Morpheus 8, where we all know the famous celebrity Kim Kardashian uses the same equipment for her skincare and skin rejuvenation need. We have one room dedicated exclusively for the lasers. And one of the important lasers of this clinic is the Q-switch laser. Q-switch laser focuses mainly on one concern, that is pigmentation. Be it acne, which causes post-inflammatory pigmentation, and be it uneven skin tone, or be it tanning. This laser addresses all these issues and gets a fresh glow. And even we use the same equipment in certain advanced medifacials to get that fresh party glow. Apart from Q-switch laser, we also have fractional CO2 laser. This laser is used for skin tag removal, water removal, acne scar addressing, and as well as skin rejuvenation. Now we come to the most important part of the Dermadoc clinic, which is our operation theatre. Here we perform world-class hair transplantation surgeries. We have a team of hair transplant surgeons who have done more than thousands of hair transplantation. We use FUE method, DHI method, multiple method which suits particular individual to get the high density hair regrowth on the scalp. Apart from hair transplantations, we also plan for stem cell therapies here. We use our own fat and derive stem cells from that and use for skin rejuvenation, hair rejuvenation. And apart from stem cell therapies, we also do certain vitiligo treatments as well as certain cosmetic surgeries to enhance the natural beauty. Now it's been almost 2.5 years now. Now we have moved into a bigger space and luxurious space. We have rebranded ourselves as one of the largest integrated aesthetic center in Kokapet.